to hate vacuuming.
I used to hate vacuuming because my old one was bulky and annoying. But since getting my pink True Cozy, I actually clean more because it's just so easy, and who doesn't love a pink vacuum? Look how tiny it gets. This will be perfect for stairs. It comes with 2 different attachments. It's cordless, lightweight, and the suction is strong enough for carpets and pet hair. I love that I can clean my floors, couch, and car with one vacuum. For what this is priced at right now and how well it works, this is such a solid find. This deal won't last for long though. Grab it with free shipping before it sells out again.